Hello and welcome to AdaPulse, the community-funded news channel keeping you up to date with all the news and emerging projects that are in and around the Cardano ecosystem. And remember, because we're community-funded, there is no coin shilling or paid promotion. We're just here to disseminate information and deliver it to you in a way that's easy for you to understand. Now, we've got a big topic again today as we're talking about sidechains. So this is everything you want to know about the Cardano Sidechain Toolkit, because we talk about sidechains a lot, and I think it's about time we really dived in so you can understand them specifically. And this is by one of our newer writers that's been onboarded to AdaPulse, Laura, and she's done some great content before, and this is a great article that she's done here today. So remember to click the like button, hit subscribe, and hit that bell button so you can get notified as soon as we've got content available. And do share far and wide. Remember, we just want to educate as many people as possible. That's what we're paid to do. So spread it far and wide and see how many people we can reach. And so I'm Josh from ATM Stake Pool, your presenter for AdaPulse for today. Let's just crack straight on with the article. So the Cardano Sidechain Toolkit is basically a set of tools and protocols that allow developers to easily create, manage, and deploy sidechains on the Cardano blockchain. The release of a sidechain toolkit by iohk is a major milestone in the development of Cardano's technology. So with its introduction, businesses and organizations can now take advantage of the benefits offered by sidechains, such as increased efficiency, flexibility and scalability, while leveraging the security of Cardano. So today, what we're going to do is we're going to explore everything you need to know about the Cardano Sidechain Toolkit. What is a sidechain? So a sidechain is essentially a separate blockchain that runs parallel to a main blockchain. So which depends on its main chain but it's connected to it by a bridge, allowing for assets to be securely transferred from literally one blockchain to another. Still confused? So check out this image. This is by CoinDesk illustrating sidechains. Now, this enables the creation of specialized blockchains with specific features or capabilities while still utilizing the security and trust of the main blockchain. What are the benefits of the Cardano Sidechain Toolkit? Now, Cardano is the most decentralized proof-of-stake blockchain with thousands of independent stake pools and millions of wallet addresses. Now, sidechains provide a secure and decentralized blockchain like Cardano to be more flexible and allow experimentation. So the toolkit fosters these sort of characteristics. So check them out. So first we have scalability. The Cardano Sidechain Toolkit enables developers to create sidechains that are optimized for specific use cases. This leads to a more scalable and efficient blockchain environment, as the sidechain can handle a higher volume of transactions. And then there's security. The Cardano Sidechain Toolkit provides a secure environment for developers to test and deploy new applications, features, and whatever functionalities they wish. This helps to reduce the risk of security breaches and ensures that the applications deployed on the sidechain are secure and trustworthy. And we have interoperability. The Cardano Sidechain Toolkit allows for seamless integration between different sidechains and the main blockchain. So this enables the creation of a highly interoperable environment where different applications and functionalities can work together seamlessly. And then there's customizability. The Cardano Sidechain Toolkit provides developers with a high degree of customizability, allowing them to tailor their sidechains to specific use cases and requirements. So overall, sidechains extend the main chain's capabilities, making the blockchain more scalable and extensible while maintaining stability and security. They create a more interoperable environment for different applications and communities to have their own sovereignty and design choices. And they provide a testing ground for newer innovations and applications before implementing them on the main blockchain. Would the sidechain have its own consensus? So in short, yes, the sidechain operates with its own consensus algorithm and distinct features. It's linked to the main chain via a bridge that facilitates the transfer of assets between the chains. But the main chain provides the security for the sidechain to determine the finality of its blocks through a consensus mechanism that relies on the security of the main chain. So what are the key components of the Cardano Sidechain Toolkit? The Sidechain Toolkit is a set of components and recommendations to extend Cardano's capabilities. The toolkit enables blockchain developers to deploy customizable solutions that meet their technical and social requirements. So let's check this out to see what it consists of. Main chain Plutus scripts. These scripts, deployed on the Cardano main chain, determine the flow of a sidechain, including the registration of block producer candidates, the minting policies of sidechains tokens, and the functions for moving tokens. Chain follower. This component is capable of observing the state of main chain events and govern the sidechain and communicating them to the sidechain. The current version of the toolkit uses Cardano DB Sync instance just for this purpose. Sidechain specific module. This component of the sidechain node validator filters and transforms data received from the chain follower, presenting it to other components for processing according to the governing rules of the sidechain technical specification. Now, technical specification. The Cardano Sidechain Client Specification is a comprehensive document describing the architecture, use cases, and implementation of the sidechain components, including an example EVM implementation to showcase a possible implementation of the specification. So here's a more simpler image specifically to describe Cardano sidechains. The toolkit includes a technical specification document that provides an introduction and guide to the Cardano sidechains. The document empowers developers and provides a foundation for custom sidechain development. How does the toolkit help the Cardano ecosystem? Blockchain developers, dApp developers, stake pool operators, and dApp users can all benefit from custom sidechains. The toolkit allows easy deployment of a whole range of functions. So you've got the transfer of data and assets between the main chain and custom sidechain, support various consensus protocols and ledger rules and languages, leverage the existing stake pool community and securing small chains. And check this out. These features allow developers to create blockchains for specific use cases by leveraging Cardano's security and decentralization. Will 2023 see a proliferation of sidechains on Cardano? Now, Cardano already sees an incredible amount of deployment activity when it comes to sidechains. So here are some of the developments regarding sidechains that I know I've mentioned like many times before, but they're worth making note of. So you have World Mobile's Cardano sidechain using Tendermint or Cosmos, and that brings more interoperability to the Cardano ecosystem. Multimedia EVM sidechain on Cardano is already up and running for almost an aspect like 10 months now. And of course, we have SharesLake sidechain, who brought the first stablecoin to the Cardano ecosystem. Conclusion. The Cardano Sidechain Toolkit provides a secure, scalable, and sustainable environment for the development of decentralized applications and smart contracts. So it enables developers to test and deploy new functionalities, features, and applications without actually affecting the main blockchain. So with its suite of tools and protocols, the Cardano Sidechain Toolkit provides a high degree of customizability and interoperability, making it a really powerful tool for developers. So as it's easier now for developers to deploy sidechains on Cardano with this toolkit, we can easily anticipate some of the Cardano dApps deploying their own sidechains, in the near future. And as app chains provide a flexible and customizable environment for, tailor-made solutions, sidechains would be seen as a compelling solution by many dApp teams on Cardano. So 2023 could be the year we see, some of the major dApps deploying their own sidechains on Cardano. So we're very early in the year. We'll just have to wait and see. The proof's in the pudding. But that's the end of the article. Remember, the full piece can be found online, along with all the other articles that we don't have a chance to make videos for. And so do remember to click the like button, hit subscribe, and hit that bell button so you can get notified as soon as we've got content available. And share far and wide. We're an educational platform, and we do want to reach as many people as possible. But that's enough of that. I'm Josh from ATM Stake Pool, your presenter for AdaPulse for today. That's it for now, and I'll see you next time. Thank you.